Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook mouse sensitivity. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now scroll down to Mouse. Click on it. And next to tracking speed, use the slider to make your mouse more sensitive or less sensitive by selecting slow. As you see, this is the slow tracking speed and this is the fast tracking speed. I am doing the same movement, but with different sensitivity. It gives different results. And this is how to change. Of course, my bad. That was only for the tracking speed. You can also change the double click speed. If you are fast to double click the mouse buttons, use this slider on the fast side to be to be enough for your hand sensitivity. Same thing for the scrolling speed. You can adjust it to fast or low like this. And this is how to change your MacBook mouse sensitivity easily. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.